Most nonprofits, if not all nonprofits, have a hard time raising funds. If they had more time to spend on their mission than raising funds, a lot more would get done in the world. That's why we created a public charity sweepstakes to help nonprofits raise money in a really fun and exciting way. We got a 501c3 through the IRS to only work with nonprofits that can't afford professional marketing and fundraising. When we launched Vehicle for Good, I dreamed about a specific car that we could give away in the future. Maybe one day we could do it, and I can't believe we're already here. I started having phone calls with some of the biggest CEOs in the country that built these trucks. And I finally got a call with Debbie and Bryan with Classic Ford Broncos. And they've bought into the vision of Vehicle for Good. And we're now giving away a 1974 custom-built Ford Bronco and helping two incredible causes.
My name is Bryan Rood with Classic Ford Broncos. I started this business in 2009 with the idea of building vintage trucks with modern reliability. My target audience is somebody who appreciates the looks of the past with the reliability of today. Who says you can't have both? I'm really excited to tell you about this 1974 Classic Ford Bronco that we built for Vehicles for Good. The exterior color of the truck is Harvest Moon. The interior was done in a whiskey diamond stitch pattern. It has a family cage, custom bikini top, Chillowich flooring, 10-speed automatic transmission, and a Coyote engine. Classic Ford Broncos has never done anything like this in the past. We've always wanted to go down the road of donating a vehicle, but we've never found the right partnerships to do that. This year, we found the company's Vehicles for Good. One of the reasons that we decided to work with them is they only work with charities that don't have the ability to pay for professional marketing and advertising. We found that very interesting, and we feel that with our platform, we have the opportunity to really make a difference.
We created the Lindy Infante Foundation to honor my father, Lindy Infante. Sadly, my father lost his parents at a very young age and had a very impoverished background. His life was changed, and the trajectory of his life was changed through the access of sports at a young age. So we want to provide every child out there the opportunity to access sports because we realize that sports can change children's lives and change the trajectory in which they're going. I think one of the biggest difference between the Lindy Infante Foundation and a lot of other sports foundations is that 100% of the donations that we receive go back to the communities that we serve to provide funding for schools as well as nonprofit organizations to reduce the costs for kids to participate in sports.
My name is Mark Reedland. I'm with an organization called Hope Local, which is a nonprofit that works to recruit foster and adoptive families, build support communities around those families, and stabilize biological families that are at risk of disruption. Most donors want to know that our work is efficient and effective. They just want to know that their money is making a difference. At Hope Local, our goals are actually the same. We know that efficiency is the key to helping the most kids and families, and so that's a major focus for us. We keep our administrative costs as low as possible so that every dollar makes as big of an impact as possible.
Ultimately, we're helping you do good in the world with a fun twist. I mean, someone's got to win. Why can't it be you? Enter in for your chance to win this 1974 Bronco, and let's support incredible causes. Either way, follow us on social media, keep up with what we're doing, and buckle up because it's going to be an incredible ride.